Big thank you to the Hide and Scratch team for sending out these Silvervine sticks for Mabel and Doodle to try. I was a bit sceptical, I'll be perfectly honest with you. They do like catnip, but they're very fickle cats and spoilt. So I wasn't really expecting anything. But yeah, they went really, really daft for these. They really, really like them. As you can see, Mabel is a delicate girl, so she doesn't really get to throw herself into too much. But you can see she was being really peculiar with them, having a full catnip response to these sticks. I like the fact that they're a natural thing, which is really, really good. But yeah, she spent absolutely ages just rolling around, showing everyone her nip nops and just having a lovely time. Just having a little roll around, really, really, really playful. And with all that noise, the Doodle did come downstairs and decided he wanted to get involved. He didn't want to miss out on any playtime, and he again had a very daft response. He was having a absolutely wonderful time, rolling around and just being really silly. So, worthy's a hit, absolutely, absolutely. Look at that boy, having a cracking time. He had a really fabulous time. They really enjoyed it, and they're going to last a really long time, I think. Love that they're natural. Love that they're going to last a really long time, and just a really cute little product. But yeah, thank you so much again to the team for sending them out to us. They will be enjoying them immensely. And yeah, really do appreciate it.